Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of online privacy and security, and we're going to explore how to set up a custom VPN using the v2ray NG app and a Wireguard VPN server. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a powerful tool for enhancing your online privacy and security. It creates a secure connection between your device and the internet, making it harder for others to track your online activity and intercept your data. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating your Wireguard VPN server. First, we need to create our own Wireguard VPN server. There are many services online that offer custom server creation, and for this demonstration, we'll use a service called SSH Ocean. Open your web browser and search for SSH Ocean. Visit the SSH Ocean website. Step 2. Set up your server on the SSH Ocean website. Tap on the menu button to expand options. Select Services, then Wireguard. Choose a server location by tapping on Select Location. Tap on Create Server. Now, fill out the account form with a username and check the reCAPTCHA box. Tap on Create Account. Step 3. Copy your server details. Once your server is created, make sure to copy your Wireguard server details to your clipboard. You'll need these for setting up your VPN configuration in the v2ray NG app. Step 4. Download and install the v2ray NG app. Now open the Play Store and search for v2ray NG. Tap on the v2ray NG VPN app and install it. Step 5. Configure your VPN. Open the v2ray NG app. Tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and tap on Copy from Clipboard. This will import your Wireguard server details into the app. Edit the configuration if needed, and then tap on Save. Step 6. Connect to your server. Finally, tap on the Start button to connect the VPN. This will establish a secure connection between your device and your custom server. And that's it. You've successfully set up a custom VPN using the v2ray NG app and a Wireguard VPN server, enhancing your online privacy and security. Remember, using a VPN can significantly boost your online privacy, but it's crucial to stay informed about the latest online security threats and to update your security measures regularly. Don't forget to check out our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for more helpful tips and resources. The links are in the description. And, as always, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.